What is ModSocket, and who needs it? ModSocket is for people just like you who know that running a small business is tough. You've got so many moving parts to tend to, it can quickly become overwhelming. And that prevents you from doing what you need to do most. Drive business, get customers, and sell. It's a fact. Marketing is one of the top 3 responsibilities small businesses consider difficult and time-consuming. Wouldn't it be great if you could afford professional ad agency thinking to manage the process and create great marketing for you? That's where we come in. ModSocket helps you to start marketing smart. It's like having the resources of your own marketing department without the big price tag, all delivered through your web browser. ModSocket delivers expert advice, professional results, and many time-saving features. In a matter of minutes, you'll produce final work. And you don't have to be a marketing expert to do so, because ModSocket does the heavy lifting for you. There are plenty of marketing companies out there, like email marketing providers, direct mail printers, website builders, and quick print solutions. With ModSocket, you get all this and more in one simple-to-use, self-contained interface that even a novice can understand and master. If you can shop online, you can create great marketing with ModSocket. You just browse, select the marketing campaign or product you want, customize it, and order it. It really is that easy. With one simple login, you have at your fingertips an entire marketing ecosystem filled with best-of-class partners who are ready to take your brand to the next level. Register today and start marketing smart with ModSocket.